Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to see you in International Conference Science, Technology, Engineering, Industrial Revolution. And this day, let me introduce myself. My name is Sabila Saberina, and then I have one partner in this research. This is Rati Hadiantini, and we are from University of Informatika and Business Indonesia. Before I show you the presentation, maybe I want to show my PowerPoint. For now, the subject of my research. The subject is how consumer perception of fusion drinks lead to consumer purchasing decision. Since we know food and drink are basic needs for everyone. The food and beverage industry is a project to still be the mainstay of the sector that support the growth of manufacturing and the Indonesian economy. Both based on this, the food and beverage business is currently very diverse. The phenomenon that is currently happening is trending fusion drink in Indonesia. Maybe you familiar about this. This is a phenomena actually in Indonesia. Chat Time, Choco Fresh, Quickly, Kung Fu Tea, Boba Loka, Sifutang, Boba, add many variety about fusion drink. This is the trend of a popular fusion drink in Indonesia. So in this research, I use Chat Time, brand Chat Time, for the object my research because Chat Time is one of the beverage trend and that is currently much roaming in a various circle. Current consumer behavior has a special impact from the pandemic that occurs. In the next slide, based on the online research, the bubble tea market was valued at 2.4 billion in 2019, and this is estimated to reach 4.3 billion by 2027. This is so big market share. So this is registered CAGR of 70.18% from 2020 to 2027. And in 2019, the black tea segment account for more than a half of the share in the total bubble tea market, and this is expected to grow at CAGR of 15% throughout the forecast period. And then as you can see here in this graphic, we have found the after COVID pandemic. As we know, pandemic make every sector change will be bad situation. Current consumer behavior has a special impact from the pandemic that occurs. And in line that the consumer confidence index IKK, is decreasing in the current pandemic era. So that is individual attitude pattern indirectly change the pattern of a decision that consumer usually make. This make motivation and perception change automatically. The other player operating in the global bubble tea market are bubble tea supply incorporation. The reflection is how important that the food and beverage industries can be seen from how much effort it makes contribute to the gross domestic product. So in this situation, we can give decreasing negative view of the current economic condition. And the next slide is talk about research question. This is my research question about presentation. For the first, how is the description of motivation, customer perception, and purchasing decision? And then how motivation influence purchasing decision. Sorry, purchasing decision, and then how customer perception influence purchasing decision, and how motivation, customer perception influence purchasing decision. And then this is a literature review. According to Shipman Kanuk, motivation can be described as the driving force within individual that implements them to action. And I used to Shipman Kanuk to variable second variable. This is a perception is a process by which an individual select, organizer, and interpretasi stimuli into the meaningful and coherent picture of the world. And then I use Kotler and Keller for my literature, which is translated by Ciptono. The purchase decision is the decision stage where customer actually purchase a product. Based on the above definition, it can be concluded that the purchase decision is a decision that it is influenced by several factors that will make consumer actually. And then purchase decision have 5 stages. For the first, program recognition, informational research, and then evaluation of alternative, purchasing decision, and post-purchase decision. And then this is my framework. I use motivation and customer perception to see how can impact for purchase decision. Or we can define that motivation can influence purchase decision, and then customer perception can influence to purchase decision, and then motivation and customer perception can influence together to purchase decision. So this is the highlight of I can describe my framework in the research, and this is my method. I use the type of research used is seen based on the formulation of the problem that has been described, where the type of research used is descriptive associative research. So the descriptive can define that this is a concern with finding out statement relate to the existing of independent variable. This is a combined with association, and then in the next slide I will show you about sample and population in use. The population in this study will check time consumer with a sample size of 100 people. Measurement of variable used in this study, I use a Likert scale. And then for the measure and analysis, I use SPSS version 24. And then I use validity and reliability to make sure conducting data testing technique. And then I use multiple linear regression. So I can find the t-test and f-test are used as a tools in analyzing data. And I hope this is research as expect finding that study are that will find pattern of behavior and presentation of influence on purchasing decision by utilizing motivation, and also find patterns based on customer perception during the pandemic in order to increase the customer confidence index and mobile business activity to make this an alternative solution. And I have 4 results about research. For the first, maybe purchasing decision produce indicator of perceptive pre-purchase need activity, purchase time behavior, and post-purchase behavior. In this case, information seeking perspective is considered to be the most important thing, that including make a purchase so that individual attitude patterns are also reflected with high curiosity. And in this case, the pandemic does not change the pattern of decision usually made by customer, where everything is much more considered and also require more information to make decision about buying chat time beverage product. And the second result is purchasing motivation variable to the purchase decision amount to 36.25%, which is a variable that has a more dominant influence in the study. And then and the third result is purchase decision amount 20.76%, which is the variable that has at least influence in this study. This shows that customer perception variable has a weak influence in influencing customer to purchase decision on brand chat time. And the last, the research result that influence purchasing motivation is a great customer perception to purchase decision amount to 57.01%, and the other 42.99% influenced by other variable not examined in this study. So after result, I can suggestion about this research, and in this case, the conclusion is customers still see brand chat time as a producer, which is only limited to producing recreational drink. So that chat time must be able to provide innovative product. In the end, are able to provide benefit to consumer from various variant of benefit to body immunity, and the mindset of current pandemic, consumer are able to make chat time. And then chat time must be able to make quality improvement, both in the term of product or service, in order to make continuous improvement regularly in developing separate product and build a good image for consumer as one of the large fusion drink company that is able to provide an example also in the application of GCY, good corporate governance. And then at least show one form of social responsibility in order to increase social value and a good reputation in the eyes of the leader community as responsible and caring company. As an example of the currently pandemic momentum, there is a need for increased state. The positioning of a brand is able to attract consumer and reputation that represent confidence for consumer through positive experience and after purchasing time. Okay, that is for all my research. At the end, thank you so much for your attention, and this is my literature referensi. Thank you so much for your attention. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.